In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable breakout rooms on Zoom. This feature is incredibly useful for educators, trainers, and team leaders who want to create smaller, focused group discussions during a larger meeting. Let's dive into the steps to get this set up. First, you need to head over to the Zoom website. You can easily find this by typing Zoom into your web browser's search bar and clicking on the official Zoom link. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it to begin logging into your Zoom account. Next, you'll be presented with different login options. Here, you'll want to click on the Google button if you prefer signing in with your Google account. This is a great way to save time if you've already got your Google account logged in on your browser. Choose your account from the list, and if prompted, enter your details to proceed. Now that you're logged into your account, it's time to select the specific meeting you'd like to enable breakout rooms for. You should already have a meeting scheduled, but if not, take a moment to schedule one. Once you locate the meeting on your dashboard, click on it to enter the meeting interface. Once in the meeting, look towards the bottom of the screen. You will find a button labeled More. Click on this to reveal additional options. From the list of options, you will see one labeled Breakout Rooms. Click on this to access the breakout room settings. At this stage, you will need to decide how many breakout rooms you want. This depends on the number of participants and the type of discussion you are aiming for. After determining the right number, proceed by clicking on the option to assign participants into these rooms. You'll find an option to do this automatically, allowing Zoom to evenly distribute participants across your breakout rooms, which can be a time saver. With your configuration set, the final step is to click on Create. This will generate the breakout rooms with the settings you've chosen. Once your breakout rooms are created, you can start using them immediately during your meeting, offering a dynamic way to engage participants in smaller groups. By following these clear steps, you'll have successfully enabled breakout rooms on Zoom. This tool enhances collaborative efforts and provides a more interactive experience for your meetings. Be sure to explore the different features and settings within the breakout room functionality to further customize and optimize your sessions. Thanks for watching and happy Zooming!